High-heat synthetic fibers offer the style versatility and texture of human hair with the style memory of traditional synthetic fiber. To properly curl your high-heat synthetic fiber wig or hairpiece, you will need Jon Renau HD Smooth Detangler, Jon Renau Heat Treat Thermal Spray, a wide-tooth comb, professional curling iron, and small metal clips. Heat your curling iron at 270 to 280 degrees Fahrenheit, 132 to 138 degrees Celsius. Avoiding the cap, apply 3 to 5 pumps of HD Smooth Detangler, focusing on the mid-lengths to ends. Gently comb through with your Jon Renau wide-tooth comb to free hair of any tangles. The Jon Renau wide-tooth comb is the only tool to be used on your HD fiber. Other brushes and combs will cause frizzing and tangling. Starting at the nape, take 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch sections of hair, using smaller sections for tighter curls and larger sections for looser curls. Spray 1 to 2 pumps of Heat Treat Thermal Spray to each section to protect the fiber against heat damage when using heat styling tools. Gathering hair into curling iron, smooth through the ends. Roll iron up towards the base of wig or hairpiece, staying 1 to 2 inches away from the cap. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Then, turn the tip of the iron towards the ground and release the curl into the palm of your hand. Holding curl in one hand, gather up towards base and secure curl with a small metal clip, like a pin curl. Repeat process, continuing up the wig. Allow curls to cool completely for about 5 minutes. Remove the clips and allow curls to hang naturally. For best results, use your wide-tooth comb or fingers to style as desired. We recommend using HD Smooth Detangler with your wide-tooth comb daily to detangle your HD wig. This is especially important with mid to long length HD wigs or hairpieces.